If you're getting an error message on Google Chrome that says this site cannot be reached, then stick with me, as in this video I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to fix this issue. The first thing we're going to do is load up Google Chrome, and you want to come over to the three little dots in the right hand side and scroll down and come into settings. From this panel on the left hand side, we want to come into privacy and security, and then we're going to select clear browsing data. You want to make sure browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images or files are checked. And then we could go ahead and press clear data. Then you need to scroll down and come into security, and we want to make sure standard protection is enabled. If you have enhanced protection enabled, go ahead and change it over to standard protection. Then we need to scroll down in this left panel, and you want to come into extensions, and you want to try disabling any Google extensions that are currently enabled, as sometimes these can cause conflicting issues when trying to load a web page. To disable an extension, you just need to toggle this button to off. As you can see, all mine are currently disabled, and then we can close out of Google Chrome, and you want to come to the start menu and search for CMD. Then right click on command prompt and make sure to run as administrator, and inside of here you need to type in ipconfig /release, and then hit enter. And then you want to type in ipconfig /renew, and then hit enter. And lastly, we can type in ipconfig /flushdns, and then hit enter. Then we can close out this command prompt, and you want to come back to your start menu and search for control panel. Tap on the control panel icon, and you want to make sure view by is set to category. Then come into view network status and tasks. On the left here where it says change adapter settings, click that, and you need to find the network that you're currently using. So for me, it's this internet here, and we want to right click on it and come into properties. And from this list, you should see something called Internet Protocol version 4. We need to click on that and select properties, and we're going to change where it says obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. And inside of here, you're going to type in 8888 and 8844. Then we can press OK to save the changes. You can then close out of these windows, and we're going to come back to the start menu and back over to the control panel, and you want to set view by to large icons. And then we're going to select Internet Options. Come over to the Connections tab inside of LAN settings, and you want to make sure proxy server is disabled like mine on the screen here. And we also want to check automatically detect settings and then press OK. And then we can press OK again to save our changes. We can then relaunch Google Chrome and try refreshing the page to see if that's fixed the issue. If you're still experiencing issues, then I'd recommend trying to visit the website on a different device, as there's probably a high chance that the website is currently down. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.